The unboxing of the LOVET Planners Vision Board Kit, which comes with 2 books, the Vision Board book and the Vision Board Graphics book, in a limited edition box, along with a special message telling you why you should love it. The Vision Board book is spiral bound, full color, and will be your personal guide to manifesting your goals. It has guided exercises, journaling prompts, and tons of good stuff to get started. It makes it super easy, along with special categories for love, finances, health, family, career, and more. Every important category of your life is covered inside of the Vision Board book. The second piece in your kit is the Vision Board Graphics book, which is filled with tons of quotes, all related to each category that's in your Vision Board book. So the love section, you've got love graphics. Money section, money graphics. These graphics are made to personalize your vision board so it speaks directly to you. Your LOVET Planners Vision Board Kit is more than just a pretty book. It's a powerful personal growth tool. And what's amazing is because we have it in a book, it's meant to keep things private so it's safe from negative energy. Remember to make vision boards as unique as you are. Don't settle for a mediocre life. Take the first step to a better you with the Vision Board Kit from LOVET Planners. You can grab your Vision Board Kit at lovetplanners.com. Are you ready? Let's go.